Pre-Calculus presents the Great Space Rescue.
The SS Vertex is drifting helplessly around the planet Focus in an elliptical orbit. Major A has been sent to rescue the ship. He is at the center of this orbit and needs to get out to the SS Vertex, which is currently at one of the vertices.
His computer can plot a course to the SS Vertex. However, it needs the equation to do so. Luckily for Major A, he took math analysis at Redmond High School. He recalls from his math analysis class that the standard form of an equation is x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. Now he must find what h, k, a squared, and b squared are.
In this equation, h, k is the ordered pair for the center. On Major A's intergalactic coordinate plane, he is at the point 100, 200. He can substitute 100 for h and 200 for k. X minus 100 squared over a squared plus y minus 200 squared over b squared equals 1.
The distance to the SS vertex is 500 miles straight left on the intergalactic map. This distance is equivalent to a in the equation for an ellipse, or the distance from the center to the ellipse to the left or right. Because the ellipse is flat, A will be bigger than B, and the vertices and foci will be on the left, right, or horizontal axis. The axis that is longer is called the major axis. Because the equation has A squared, he must square 500, which is 250,000. X minus 100 squared over 250,000 plus y minus 200 squared over b squared equals 1.
The distance to planet Focus is 400 miles. In an ellipse, the distance from the center to one of the foci is c. Major A recalls the equation c squared equals a squared minus b squared from his class. Using what he knows already, he can solve for b squared. B squared equals a squared minus c squared. And since a squared equals 250,000 and c squared equals 160,000, b squared will equal 90,000.
Now he can plug this into the equation for an ellipse and write the full equation as x minus 100 squared over 250,000 plus y minus 200 squared over 90,000 equals 1.
Now he can plug this equation into his computer and plot a path to the SS vertex.
The end.